Off you go, you freaking girlfriend. We got Thermo King APU tri-pack, and whenever she's not working I call her 3-pack. Okay, we're gonna swap the starter. T30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this guy out. Sides bolts, you don't have to take it out completely, just loose a little bit and it will pop right out. Ew. Salinas, California. Let's zoom in on the mountains. Way too much. I'm waiting on a Produce. TNA. Truckers know this place, but back at it. Honestly, we have plenty of space here. It would be way better to get rid of this side, but there is a radiator and it's a rivet stamps here, so it would be nice to get it from extension, but I guess we have plenty of room here. So 2 bolts needs to be removed, and that is 17 mil with a socket and extension. I made it like a cheat pipe, except the cheat pipe not gonna really work. We're limited on the space here, so let's try to break it loosey-loose. There you go. Watch out for the harness, don't snap any stecker. Oh no way, it actually goes pretty easy once you get it loose. It's kinda swivels here. Go back right here. Alright, first bolt is out. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's go to the other one. Okay, and this one we can kinda use like a cheat bar. Alright, we got a little bit out. We need at least 1 click. We got that 1 click. Let's put it back. Let's try again. Okay, step by step we're gonna do it. So apparently there is a bolt that spins also. We need to lock into position, but I don't have I'm limited on my tools, so I'm thinking running the extension here and use something to lock it. So let's get rid of the exhaust. 13 mil. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 nuts. I was like, why is my APU very hot? It's not working APU because of the starter, but because it's I drove an antifreeze, it's all like hot here because it shares the same antifreeze as engine, truck engine. Okay, just slightly put it on the side. Boom, this is it. You don't have to take the whole exhaust. We need to get to the bottom of this bolt. Yank this wire out. It comes out pretty easy because we already did. There is like a cutter pin that we played with it before, but yeah, in my case I just yanked it out of the place. Now to remove this one is a 12 mil. Mine is already removed right here, and it did spark a little bit. Let's see if it's still charged. Nope. It doesn't spark anymore because it's blew the fuse. So in my case, yay. Oh no way, what is this thing? Just came out. Or it was like right next to it. Probably was on it as well. Okay. Not only this one, but this wire also comes out. Is this one charged? Nope. So there is 3 wires actually. Boom. And another, how do you call this? It's not even lock-in washer, but some kind of a washer between. Okay, let's get to this bolt. The cool thing about a new phone, you can stop the video and turn on the flashlight. So that's where we playing with. Zoom in, this bolt right there. Zoom out. Turning the light out. Okay, like I said, I'm limited with tools, but I went around. Boom. Put it this 17 mil with the middle wrench, jammed against the frame here, and I'm working with a big boy. What is a half inch, the square. Ooh, yeah, it's working. It was a little bit hard to kind of get it out of the place, and now, oh yeah, baby, boom. Haha. Easy. Got that nut out. I don't want to lose it, so I'm just gonna put it here. And una más. One more is this one. We got 12 millimeters. Yeah, that was easy. This little bolt is out. Ooh, no way. I don't know, I saw some people on YouTube said they would pay $500 or so. Maybe the APU is different. For me, it literally took maybe 17 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, all that. And it's out. 17 minutes and it's out. Beautiful. Let's compare. Other way around. Just like that. Oh, no way. Here is just a plug, but on this one we got a little cute piska. Pim. But it looks the same. Okay, off you go, you freaking girlfriend.